What's up, everybody? Tyson here, and today I'm going to show you how to level up your YouTube game. We're going to show you quickly how to do a YouTube short and get your video put on that short shelf so people are seeing it, it's exposed to an audience, and you can direct them to your channel. Let's get dorky. All right, so we're going to do a YouTube short, and the purpose of that is a less than 60-second video that you want to keep in your niche, right? You don't want to just do weird things that don't pertain to your channel. The whole point is you have 60 seconds to hit home a topic and relate it back to your channel. So for instance, this, if you're, something like this. Hey, this is Tyson with Tyson Wald. I have a technology dorky YouTube channel. It's one of my passions. And if you're into technology and dorkiness and you want to see computer stuff and video games and technology and cameras and all of the likes, go ahead and hit my channel up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can be a part of the action. Something like that. That would be an amazing short to promote a technology type channel. Now, I like to talk about techie, nerdy, dorky types of things. To me, they tickle my fancy. All right, so they tickle my fancy. So let's go ahead. We're going to level up your technology here today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my iPhone here. iPhone, Android. I'm not into that debacle right now. I have an iPhone. If you have an Android, God bless. If you have an iPhone, welcome. Hey, we're fam, So what you're going to do is you're just going to basically hit on your YouTube app on your phone. And you're going to hit the plus button at the bottom. And then it's going to have like upload a video, go live, or create a post. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit upload a video. Now, once you hit that upload a video thing, it pops up with all your videos in your drawer, or you can hit the record button up here. So you hit this record button. Now it's recording everything around us. What you want to do is keep it shorter than 60 seconds. If it's shorter than 60 seconds, and then we title it correctly, it's going to go into the YouTube short drawer, which is going to be promoted out as a YouTube short and draw attention to your video and hopefully your channel if you do it right. So we would just hit record like this, and we would record. Hey, this is Tyson Wall here, and if you want to level up your tech, head on over to the channel. We're talking computers, graphics cards, cameras, audio, video, studios, lighting, everything in between. If it's tech, I'm talking it. So if you're into that type of thing, head on over to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and you can come along for the ride to level up your tech. So we have that little video right there. It was like 35 seconds long, something short and sweet to talk about your channel. And in the title then, I would say, do you want to level up your tech? Or I could title whatever I wanted. You want to still title the same way you would a YouTube video, where you want to draw attention. What is the video about? You don't want clickbait, but you also want to make it, what is the video about? But to enable to get into the YouTube short drawer, hashtag shorts. That's what you need in the title, hashtag shorts. Being shorter than 60 seconds, having the hashtag shorts in there will prompt Google to know that it needs to go into the YouTube short section. Now, the aspect rate is also something to think about. So if you're recording on your computer or anything like that, you would need a different aspect ratio. But just to record with the front-facing camera on your phone, that's what you would do. You would hold it and you would upload it that way. That's going to automatically get put into the short section. Promote your video out, push it out. It's new, so YouTube's pushing them out. Hopefully draw attention to your channel. So in the meantime, I'll put a short out right now, and then I will come back. We'll check on it in a week. Let's say a week. We're going to check on it. We're going to see what our YouTube short did for a channel that's growing. I started at 0 subscribers. We're up to 15, right? And we're going to go big. We're going to go big. So until I talk to you guys again next time, don't forget, anything that you want to get done can be accomplished with technology. Just think outside the box.